Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a Google Slideshow presentation as a PDF file. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to make sure you have the presentation you want to download opened up. Then you're going to want to click on File, then go to Download, and then you're going to want to click on PDF Document. Doing so will download a file. The file will have the same name as your presentation file, and once it's downloaded you can either click on the notification and you're going to see there is one PDF page per slide in your Google Slideshow, or you can click on the downloads notification, then click on Show in Folder. This will open up where your file has been downloaded in the Windows File Explorer. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.